Solution of linear equation using graph. Graph means x-axis and y-axis. So equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 7. You put either the equation in the x form. If I put the equation in the x form, then x is equal to 7 minus y. But I put the equation in the y form, that is y is equal to 7 minus x. Now this is known as equation number 1. In equation 1, suppose I put x is equal to 0. You take any value as per your scale in the graph. So x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 7. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 6. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 5. We have to take two solutions only, but I am taking 3. More than 3 if you take them, that is good. You can see that if you plot this point on the graph, then that points are collinear. Collinear means points lying on the same line. Now second equation. 5x plus 2y is equal to 20. So 5x is equal to 20 minus 2y according to application of linear equation. So x is equal to 20 minus 2y upon 5. Now I keep y is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to 20 upon 5 is equal to 4. If I put x is equal to y is equal to 5. 5 2s are 10, 20 minus 10, 10 upon 5 is equal to 2. Now I put y is equal to 10. So 10 2s are 20, 20 minus 20 is 0, 0 upon any number, that is 0. So this is known as table. When we take x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0 for this equation only. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. And x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. If you plot this point according to equation, that is first equation, that indicates that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 7. This indicates that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 6. This indicates that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. And this indicates that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. If you plot first of all this 4 point and draw a line and label it is x plus y is equal to 7. Same way for second solution, that is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0, this point. After that x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 10. We plot this point and draw a line passing through it, that is collinear point, and intersecting point is 2 and 5. Intersecting point is 2 and 5. So it is known as the solution of equation. If you put this value of x and y in any of equation 1 or 2. Second example, 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. So from the beginning of the equation we have to see whether it is common. Yes, 3 is common, so we divided whole the equation by 3. So equation become x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Here either you keep this equation in the form of x or y. I am keeping this equation in the form of y with the help of linear equation, that is 1300 minus x upon 2. If we put the value, that is x is equal to 0, that is 0. So 1300 minus 0 upon 2, that is 1300 divided by 2, that is 650. Again I put that instead of x 400, that is substitution method. So 1300 minus 400 is equal to 900, 900 divided by 2, so we will get 450. Here I am putting that instead of x 1000. So 1300 minus 1000 is equal to 300. 300 divided by 2 is equal to 150. We have to prepare this table. Now I am going to plot this point on the graph. Means first point x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 650. So this point is known as 0, 650. Second point x is equal to 400 and y is equal to 450. So here 400 and here 450. So this point is known as 400, 450. Now third point, that is x is equal to 1000, then y is equal to 150. 150 means here 1. So if you got this point, that is known as 1000 and 150. After this, we have to draw a line. Equation is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. So here I am keeping this equation in the form of x. So x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. So we get this table. If you put the value of y according to you will get the value of x. This table is ready. Now friends, don't forget to write down scale. That is scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 200 and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. Sometimes in exam graph is not given, we are able to plot this. Now I am plotting this point. So when x is equal to 1000, then we are getting y is equal to 100. So this point is this. It is known as 1000 and 100. After that, x is equal to 400 and y is equal to 300. So this point is known as 400, 300. After that, x is equal to 100. So it is here, and y is equal to 400. So here. Now we have to see whether the point is concurrent or not. So we have to join this point according to this. So here the line is, this equation is known as 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900, and this line for the equation x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Here the solution set, when two lines are intersecting, that is known as solution set. So solution set is here xy is equal to 1300, 0. Thank you for watching this video.